Welcome to RV America's 1 Minute Tip. So the folks at Wealpe asked us to review their chest mount for a GoPro, and we want to tell you what we think about it. First, there's so many places that you can use it. Riding bikes, hiking, snowboarding, skateboarding, skiing, so many other adventures. It's something that gives you hands-free, that whether you're riding a bike or you need your hands when you're hiking with sticks, or you're walking the dog and just have the leash in your hand. Another great thing about it is that you can tilt it down or tilt it up, and you can even flip the bracket around if you have a need to tilt it even farther up. And we want to show you how it hooks to the back.
So it's not going to fall off.
Yeah, it's going to stay on, gives you hand-free adventures. In fact, it's given us so much adventure, Lynn's wanting to find new sports to use this in, like snowboarding.
Will you take me snowboarding?
You know how your bones break.
Oh, rats.
Might need to find something a little easier. It has been great so far. We've enjoyed it. It's not giving us any kind of problem. It's going to be a great tool for us. It should be a great tool for you. We'll put a link down below where you can get it. So if you're the type of person that is adventurous, then this is something you're going to want to get so you can have more and more hand-free adventures.
Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV America.